Sawadika! Okay, today we're in Thailand right now, but we're doing this
poppin cooking with no translation.
We are not Japanese, so
Arigato.
Konnichiwa.
these are the instructions, but we will try doing it without understanding the instructions. We're just gonna look by the images and figure out how to poppin cook it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we need scissors eh.
Must be it.
Oh yeah, we need to cut this.
We need scissors.
Oh.
Is there it?
Poppin cooking.
Wow, okay.
Let's see what's inside.
Cool.
Cool. Let's see what's inside. Please show them.
Ooh la la. Okay.
So this should be the end product. It should look something like this.
Oishi.
Oishi.
Oishi. Delicious.
Moshi.
Wait, I open all the packets ah.
Sure. This is a spoon.
Wow, got rainbow colour eh. So
Oh, like
all the
happy?
colours.
This is
microwave,
supposed to be-
is it?
No need.
I see a square there.
What? What?
Mana microwave it? What the
We don't have a microwave.
How long is it for that?
We have to make for Charlotte like she's gonna eat it.
It's okay.
It must be edible, bro.
She might die. Okay, first we're supposed to cut it, but we don't
even have the proper materials.
This should be the water. Okay, faham. Like if like water just like that. Put the yellow packet in here.
Yellow packet.
This one is to make the fries.
The fries.
wow.
Oh yeah, that's the image of the fries. Okay. Where?
Sini.
Powder. Maybe powder.
Yeah, smell it. Everyone smell it. We put this powder in here.
The fourth line.
Yummy!
Yum.
So we put the water in here. We need 2 of these, please.
2 of this.
Wait.
Girl, you better not spill it.
How to pour? Okay, I know. Here first.
So you don't want to be hot. No. I think
Pour.
1.
no need.
After that, after we mix, we're supposed to flatten it down.
You're supposed to flatten it down and then pop it in the microwave, which we apparently don't
We
have.
don't have a microwave. Oh gosh.
Hair dryer.
And
Try
yeah,
hair dryer.
Hair dryer.
it works.
Chef car says hair dryer car.
Wait, chef, please, with your, can you please wash your hands? You're supposed to flatten it with your hands.
I need to do it.
Yeah, because you're the chef.
Oh.
We're also chef. So yeah.
Chef,
Cepatlah.
Yeah,
Clinta.
clean ta.
Now what? Press it down, bro.
Sit down. Gani.
No, use your hand. You're supposed to use your hands.
Look at chef. She's cooking.
Okay dah.
Okay, just leave it there.
Okay.
So now we're gonna use a hair dryer to microwave it.
That's pretty toxic, but okay.
But no one's gonna eat it. Except for Charlotte. Okay, maybe we can wait this like later, like because we need still microwave a lot of things. So now let's make the beef patty.
The beef.
You come down here, dah beef right now.
The beef. Okay, let's make the beef patty. Put in this one.
Which one?
We need 2 waters. So.
Oh, it smells.
I'm MSG.
Smells like, you know, like mee goreng, Indomie punya powder.
Serbuk.
Yeah. Smells like serbuk. Sit up.
Is it like this? This much?
Isa. Bro, you had 1 job. Okay.
See, fix.
60. Okay.
Oh, they don't look good, ka.
Yup. Oh, there.
Chef.
Chef also don't know what to say.
put this in here to like flatten it out to make the burger patty shape.
Oh, another camera car.
Time lapse. Okay.
Okay, next one. Read the next step.
This one. Car.
Car.
This is the bread car.
Bread
Put
car?
in here.
Bread car.
Smell the bread.
Bread car.
Smells like bread. Yeast. Yeast. Wait, I think I put too much water, man.
It's not. Oh my god, that's too much. Too much. Put a bit only. Put a bit only. Okay, a bit only. Okay, Chef, mix it, please. You put add water a bit.
Yeah, I'm more water.
Eee.
You added too much water.
I didn't. Only the bit.
You tuang macam tak. Lepas tu
Hey,
semua
at least it's better than you, right?
waterfall tau.
No.
Abi macam mana nak save?
You just extra hair dry it.
Yeah, then we have to move it.
Chef, prepare the hair dryer. Let's go. Okay, we are now gonna hair dry it because we do not have an actual microwave. Charlotte, do the honors.
More vegetables.
I'm microwaving.
Oh, that looks cool.
I told you, Ka.
Is it cool?
Wait, don't. See, Ka? No, you just can put it here.
Oh!
Wow!
Best angle.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Who's gonna cut this now? Who's gonna cut this now? Chef, please cut.
Do the honors, chef.
FIFA.
I think you're holding the knife wrongly, chef.
So now you cut the burger into.
3.
You want to make it a triple burger patty or double?
the texture.
This is not consumable. Ooh, looks like meatloaf.
Okay, next is the
Soft man.
Why you come like that?
It still won't work. It's too watery.
Cheese now.
Cheese.
Cheese, please put the cheese in the fries box, please.
Put the fries in the bag. Smell the cheese.
I think this cheese gonna smell like fart. Trust, go smell.
Don't say that.
Actually.
Hey, man.
You sure you want to smell?
Yeah. Okay. Charlotte, would you like to mix?
Where's the spoon?
The spoon is here.
Dancing in.
Hey, you!
Huh? Apa?
There's the cheese. Oh wow, it's super bright. Okay, yes, there's the cheese. Now, shopping board is all the way here. Okay, now, okay, Nisa, you can start folding the cheese. Start molding the cheese, please.
I don't. Chef!
Wow, slacking on the job, man.
It goes move.
Wait, yeah, why is it like... Ah, chef, why I got special ingredients?
Now,
Why it's so lumpy?
Yes.
We'll add 2 teaspoons of water.
Chop, chop.
Ketchup. I
Hey,
heard
wrong side.
Charlotte is just suddenly doing popping cooking with us. Keep up. Oi!
Huh?
Did you see this amount of like powder just... It's okay, chef. This one didn't be accurate. This one not nice anymore. It didn't turn out as planned, so it's fine. If it's not accurate,
Where
it's
did
fine.
it go wrong though?
Guys,
I think during the bun time when someone poured
Okay, says
Extra
the
water.
one. It's very cold.
we have very watery ketchup.
Yep. Okay, wait. Now let's make the last thing, which is the Fanta. So,
So you wanna?
Hey, why is
wait,
it?
why is it?
It's going up! It's going up! Why is it going up?
It's freezing.
Over there.
Okay, now I gotta mix it.
Okay, so
Let's assemble it here. This is our table. Oh, cheese. Cheese.
Mustard.
feel about it?
I'm traumatized.
Ishika.
Oishika.
Okay.
Oh my god, bro.
Kak, dia don't look good kah?
Man, what the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. Get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Yummy, yummy.
Is this your specialty, chef?
Chef recommendation.
Okay, put the bun kah?
Banka.
Okay.
Naraka.
Nara, before
Expectation.
reality.